how to add your payment card to Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to be guiding you through the steps on how you can actually add a payment card to your Instagram account. So you simply want to make sure to stick around till the very end. Now maybe let's say that you want to raise some funds, or maybe you're trying to run some ads on Instagram, maybe you're trying to boost a specific post. For all of that, you need dollars, and to add dollars, you need to add your payment method. And in order to add payment method, which I'm going to show you in this video, all you have to do is just go ahead and launch the Instagram application on your device. Then once you launch the Instagram app, the very first thing you want to do, of course, is without doing anything, just come to your profile page like this. Now after you come to your profile page, all you have to do is tap the three lines icon, which is the hamburger icon from the top right hand side of the screen. Then once you tap on that icon, over here you'll find the option called orders and payments in this menu icons, right? So you want to go to orders and payments over here. Now once you go to orders and payments over here, you'll be able to see settings, and then you'll be able to see payment methods. So you basically just want to tap on payment method. As in when you tap on the payment method option, you'll find the option called add payment method. So you want to make sure to tap on it. There are most likely two things that you can do. One is you can either add a credit or debit card, which is of course your physical card or your virtual card, whatever else you have, or you can choose to link your PayPal account directly, which is also one of the internationally accepted payment methods. Depending upon the type of payment method that you want, which in this case I'm going to assume is most likely credit or debit card, I want you to just go ahead and tap on those options. Basically what you want to do is make sure to simply enter your card number, and then make sure that the details are also correct. Once you enter your card number, in this case you want to make sure to simply enter the expiration date of the card as well. Once you enter the expiration date, you also want to make sure to actually enter the CVV code. Then after that, if your payment details are correct, just tap the save icon from the top right, and the payment method will be successfully added. And now you can run some Instagram ads or do whatever else you prefer. And this is how you can add a payment card to Instagram. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.